Good morning, friends. It's Tuesday, April 25th, and you're looking at my chart pre-market on Monday, April 24th. And I want to call your attention to a trade that I'm particularly fond of. The best trade, and if you are a newbie or a beginner trader, the best trade is always going to be the gap trade because it's the easiest to spot and it's the most likely to close to be profitable because gaps close 70 to 75% of the time. So it gives you pretty good odds. Without doing anything else, all you need to look for is the gap trade when it's there. Yesterday, the gap trade wasn't really there. As you can see, Monday, now here's my trading zone for Monday. I want to digress a little bit. My trading zone was resistance at 41.58 and support down at 41.29. But let's say you don't have the Taylor trading zone. The market was down to 41.34 at 3 a.m. Monday morning, 3 a.m. Monday morning. Now, market opens at 9:30, right? And so from 3 a.m. to 9:30, the market went to 41.53. So almost a 20-point rise for 6 hours. For 6 hours from 3 a.m. to 9:30, went for a 20-point rise. Now, what caused that? Nothing. The market went up for no reason. Now, I calculate the Taylor trading zone every day. For those of you who've seen my previous videos, you know that I use the Taylor calculator to let me know the likely area where the market should trade. And the trading zone told me that the prices should trade within this rectangle. Okay, ultimately they did, but nevertheless, look at what happened pre-market. The market went down for no reason. And that gave me a lot of reason to think that the market was taken up to go down, which of course it did. Now, the trading zone, and I caught this trade beautifully, the trading zone, when you use the trading zone, one of the ways to use it is to transpose it to the intraday high. Now, you can see the prices didn't trade within the trading zone all day, and they didn't go down to the bottom of the trading zone to the support at 41.30, but when you are using the trading zone, you're calculating Taylor, you can transpose it to where the intraday high or low is. And the intraday high was up here at 41.64. So if I transpose this to the intraday high, and I'm just going to copy it, I'm going to bring the copy up to here. Okay, so the trading zone, the transposed trading zone, was the new support was 41.36. And the low was 41.39, only 3 points away. So Taylor is pretty accurate when it comes to the range, not always accurate when it comes to the open or close. But you really need to know how to use the trading zone. It's not difficult at all, but it's a great tool. It's the best thing next to having a crystal ball for day traders. Now today, Tuesday, April 25th, the market is opening up. I'm not going to show you my trading zone. I sell it. I sell the Taylor calculator. As you know, you can get it at my site at timelessdollar.com. And you can use it for, I use it for the E-mini, but you can use it for anything because the Taylor's numbers, Taylor's calculations work exactly the same and beautifully for other markets or stocks. But the close on Monday was up here at 41.60, and look where the market is opening up. It's 9.26, my friends. There is a 20-point gap from Monday's close to Tuesday's open. Will it close this gap? It's got a 20-point rise, okay? What happened overnight? Well, it went down, let's see, it went down from, this is about midnight, and 3 a.m. it went down, 4 a.m. it made the low down here at 41.30. So why did it do that? What news came out overnight? I'm not so sure. CNBC shows me flags are in the red, but I don't see any dramatic news that would draw the market down overnight, would draw futures down overnight. But nevertheless, whenever there's a gap trade potential, always look for it. So friends, that's my video for today. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.